conducting.
Reinforcements!
Five-liner in position.
Fire now! Shoot him! Hey, you guys seen anything? Control think he's gonna be coming this way.
No, it's all quiet. We got teams stationed all over the place.
Squads.
Yes, sir.
07, this control room coordinates the refinery's core systems. Access the central control panel and I'll run a diagnostic. From the looks of things, it seems that if you override the coolant and exhaust systems, you'll be able to trigger a catastrophic chain reaction. Find the override valves, 007. You need to destroy those bioweapons.
Who's there?
007, the schematics show this route leads to the exhaust override. Lock the valve and cripple the refinery's heat extraction network.
Body in the lake.
Hey, you got anything? I need reinforcements!
Reinforcement! All squads, lethal force is authorized. No targets.
You've done it, Bond. Now head to the coolant station and override the safety features.
Shoot them down!
Make your way to the coolant station, 007. Override the system.
Keep watching over this stuff.
I don't know. I suppose as long as it takes for them to find the intruder.
It shouldn't be too long.
You're heading towards the coolant system. Taking it down will cripple the refinery.
Is someone there? Engage target!
Let's go on the hostile!
I've got a shot! Stand by!
Firing!
Regroup!
Bond, the coolant pipes have ruptured. Get out of there. Bond, you need to get out of that warehouse. That's it, Bond. Well done. Activate the central control panel. This will launch the chain reaction and trigger the meltdown.
Nicole,
James, where are you? What's taking so long?
meet me outside with the car running as quickly as possible.
I'm on my way.
Nicole, where are you?
I'm on my way.
Just get here, quickly. drive. Are you all right?
Yeah, I think so.
What happened to Pomerov?
He ran off. I saw him get on the train that delivers the chemicals to the port. His men were loading them on.
Which way?
Over there.
We've got to stop him before he gets those bioweapons out of the country. Hang on!
Are you mad?
Like I said, this isn't all fun and games.
Look, he's trying to get away.
Fasten your seatbelt, we've got a train to catch.
You're heading for the river.
Hold on!
Look, the train can still catch it. Get off the ice. It's a dead end.
Not necessarily.